Sige.
So.
Ilagay niyo dito? Opo.
Opo, kuya. Opo, kuya. Oh. It was a good time. Karma be like, oh.
Kasi ganyan ka, mag-party sana tayo eh.
Mag-ano
Sige,
Miss
interview
Universe
mo
tayo.
ako.
Miss Universe tayo.
Na! Burikat mga kuha.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sige, ikaw mag-interview sa akin kasi nga, di ba, guest ako. Dog cat, binalikat. Bernadette, dance floor, tan. Sige.
Alam mo yung turo ko sa'yo yung formula pag mag-rarampa.
Ano?
Di ba yan rarampa?
Ano?
Di ba yan yung ano, lalakad ka? Ganon.
Minus 16?
Tapos ganon ka.
Ay.
Tapos kailangan 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Yun!
Sige. Doon
Tapos
tayo.
kailangan i-swing mo talaga yung hips mo.
Sige.
Yung, ano, paglakad, ganyan talaga. Yung, yung bra.
Ano ba? Paano ba? Sige, go.
Yung hips naka ganun. 1, 2,
Ay, paano ba?
kailangan pag stop mo, andyan na lahat.
Ano nga yung 1, 2, 3?
Wait, dito ka, dito.
So, mag-pray tayo. Katoliko ka.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ganun na yun.
Oo.
Diretso na tayo.
Sige.
Diretso na tayo.
Sige.
Hindi kasi, kahit saan naman pwede, di ba?
Yeah.
O kahit nga, kanina,
Ganito na.
nakapray ako.
1, 2, sige.
Kahit kanina, every time, everywhere.
1, 2.
Just ang tagal natin kasi hindi natin.
1, 2, 3. Tapos, turn ulit, tapos balik.
Kasi yung mas
Sige, balik.
straight dun sa
Sige, looks. Dito lang kasi yung buko.
Born again Christian. Kasi yung
Dapat dito yung
meron kang mind. Iba.
2, 3,
Parang,
go.
ang dami sa Catholic. Parang ang dami.
Ayaw.
Na!
Kailangan magpo-pause ka muna ng 3 seconds.
Tapos 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Wala na tayong space eh. Diyan na lang tayo mag-pause. Oh, sige, go. 1, 2, 3, tapos 1, 2, 3 na gano'n na.
1, 2, 3 muna, tapos yun ka na
Huwag mo
magta-turn.
naman sinabi. Sige, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait lang! Iwan mo yung partner mo.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, tapos 1, 2, 3, tapos alis. Tapos yun.
Yay! Pili na ako, Miss Beauty Queen. Sige, last. Gusto ko. Gusto ko malaman.
Wala akong makita. Hindi ko makita yung reaction. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bakit? Ganun talaga?
Oo. Kailangan... Kasi dapat... Tapos 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, tapos... Tapos... Balik. Look straight.
Ay, gusto. Tapos.
Ganon. Yeah!
Mukhang forbidden talaga si Kisses ngayon.
Thanks.
Ang ganda ng
Thanks.
Kisses mo.
Diba?
Ang pangit mo. Sige. Pangitaunon.
Maot. Yung pangit sa amin, maot.
Oo, amo po, mautag nang, uy.
Karaot. Raot. Maraot.
Ano tayo, zigzag? Ay, ano ba yan?
Ay, magka-crisscross.
Crisscross.
Sa pageants, ganito yon. May ka-partner ka, candidate number 1, 2. Magka-crisscross kayo, tapos ganun, tapos magmi-meet sa gitna, tapos forward.
Oh. Dito tayo mag-meet kasi dyan yung state.
Dito mo yung ano,
Dito na doon tayo mag-meet. Sige.
siniseryoso na ni ate Mayo. Crisscross tayo, parang change position.
Tapos pag ano na.
Change position, tapos straight. 1, 2, 3. Candidate number 1 and 2. Tapos doon yung tingin. Tapos ganun.
Tapos,
I mean, dito, tapos straight.
straight.
Pero dapat yung ulo mo, yung body mo andito, pero yung ulo mo ganun.
Ang galing ni Kiss. Sige.
Okay.
Okay, later again.
1, 2, 3.
No, it's okay.
And then
Microphones and then
a few weeks later, I was like, oh wow, she's more than alright. And then we were really close friends. And now, I don't know. I guess I just really want to say, I like you. I care about you. Stop. Why are you gonna laugh? Why are you gonna laugh like that?
She's coming now.
I know.
I heard her that she asked the
Yeah.
others what are doing the two
Yeah.
the two.
And then, or what did I say again? And I don't know exactly what I'm feeling, but I hope I get to find out. So, and then that's all I want to say. Is that okay?
That's all.
That's all. Because I just want to...
One point.
I don't
that-
want to... It's not like it's like a crush, I guess. But it's not...
The best mode to confess it's like that. But I'd like one thing that can melt a heart of a girl. It's when you talk about you and with her memories. That's really can melt a heart of a girl.
Okay.
When you talk with their memories and
It's okay now. It's enough. I got you.
when you talk with
Okay,
their
Marco.
memories and
Marco,
then
yeah,
wait and with feelings really like
Bro.
I was so
Marco, I don't want to go to confessions.
confession room. Oh,
That's a bad word. Bro. Hey. I saw you with Marco today. So what you guys talking about? I was like, sports.
Sports.
Clothes.
Anything about girls.
Nothing about
Oh my god. I can't believe that it's really happening.
Oh, shut the fuck up.